So you may be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram stories are missing at the very top. So potentially you're missing some Instagram stories and you might be trying to figure out what's going on. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you haven't already viewed those specific stories. So if I go and scroll through at the very top, you can see that I've been following some random people. I don't even know who half these people are. But if you go all the way at the end, if you just keep scrolling, you will basically find the stories that you've already watched. So if you scroll all the way to the end, there's going to be a list of people or a list of stories at the very end. And all you're going to have to do there is just, they're going to be like grayed out. You can just open those stories as you normally would. And that is pretty much all you're going to have to do. It is a very basic process. Now, if that isn't the case, right, and let's say that's not the problem that you're having, like the stories are actually not showing up, well, the next thing you may want to do is just make sure you're following those people. So let's say Snoop Dogg, for example, right? If I wasn't following him, his stories would not pop up on my feed. It only shows me people up here who I follow. So essentially what you want to do is, for one, you want to make sure the story, you're following the person. That's basically the number one thing. But if you aren't following them, you can still make your way over to their profile and find their story here. Now, for some reason, if it looks like they have a story and you click on their story, however, there are some times where if you go ahead and actually open up your story and you come back a few hours later, the story may be gone. Well, that might be happening because either one, they deleted this story, or two, it's been past 24 hours and that specific story is now deleted because they delete every 24 hours. So that is pretty much the process. If you want to, you can update Instagram, you can restart your phone, but those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.